Completion of fuselage. While fabricating fuselage, you need to name fuselage ribs and place them in order. Use gypsum glue to enforce them, and after validating correct position, reinforce them to ensure stiffness. If there is no weight limitation, use plywood because it costs less, have greater strength, and have high density. We use magic epoxy for reinforcing landing gears. After completing fuselage, we use vinyl coating for covering fuselage to reduce aerodynamic drag. Rudder and elevator. Rudder is a primary flight control surface which controls rotation about the vertical axis of an aircraft. Rudder angle is limited to 35 degree because limit formation of eddy on the back of rudder take place convert flow to turbulence. Elevators are flight control surfaces placed at the rear of an aircraft which controls the pitch. Elevator effectiveness is a measure of how effective the elevator deflection is in producing the desired pitching. It is the function of elevator size and tail movement arm. Both are made an integral part of fuselage which saves cost like that of enforcement, reinforcement, connection cost. Placing electronics. All control surfaces and payload are controlled by servo motors which are connected with receivers. The position of servo motors are 2 servo motors for aileron placed near trailing edge of each wing, 1 servo motor for elevator placed to the left of rudder, 1 servo motor for rudder placed in the fuselage, 1 servo motor for engaging and disengaging payload with fuselage. Wires for each servo motor and ESC, which have battery and motor connected in, are connected with the receiver which is controlled by a pilot through transmitter. Selection of motor and ESC is based on the total mass of your plane. Our plane mass is around 3 kg. So we use BLDC or brushless DC motor of thrust 3.2 kg, an ESC of 100 amperes and a battery of about 2700 milliampere hours. If you are making plane for the first time, keep in mind always use weight to thrust ratio 1:2.